Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a custom font to Shopify checkout. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna do is head over to your online store, and I highly suggest you simply download an integration as well, which is called custom font. So you can search that on your Shopify app store. Make sure you do not search it in your help center. Head over to your app store. Once you are there, you will be able to see that we have various font related integrations, and once you get any of these, I suggest you install Fontio, easy font changer with a solid tracing. Then go back and click on customize and head over to your checkout section. Once you do that, you will be able to easily modify the fonts that are basically available. And so yeah, that's how you can easily change the fonts on your checkout section. So basically you can see we are on our checkout section, and I hope this is going to be helping and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.